Hey guys, welcome to another vlog episode, and today samahan nyo ako as we visit Pokemon Fun Day at SM. They launched it this weekend, actually that's yesterday, and there was a lot of things that happened, and there's a lot of things that we could go and check out. So at this point, let me give you a tour kung anong makikita nyo dito sa Pokemon Fun Day sa SM North EDSA. Ito yung entrance. You can get to take pictures dito sa stand na to with a bunch of characters. Si Snorlax, si Pikachu. And yung pinaka main attraction nila dito sa event is yung gigantic na Pikachu inflatable, where you can take photos. And as you can see, nandito rin yung mga XX and yung mga special guests nila, dyan si Coach Rio. There are also a lot of statues that you can take pictures with. There are areas where you can sit down, because this is where you can take you can play yung Pokemon TCG or trading card game. Meron din sila mga display ng mga medyo rare and medyo mamahalin na Pokemon cards, as well as the display itself. Siyempre, ang team dito is supersized. So, siyempre, makikita nyo rin yung mga supersized cards. Like si Koraidon, si Miraidon. Ayun, may Pikachu ako nakikita rin dito. So, madami kayo. You can take photos here for Instagram. And it's really just a replica lang ha. Replica lang siya ng mga cards na current version, current build. Meron din tayong scheduled activities such as yung appearance si Pikachu, where you can take photos and selfies with the Pikachu. Ayan, as I was mentioning earlier, you can also buy your merch officially licensed. This is, for example, is the Pokemon Run na shirt and medal that you can get when you join, which is coming in February 9 yata, if I'm not mistaken. You can also check out the Pokemon Fun Day video display. So there's a lot of displays for the current games on Nintendo Switch. So may Pokemon Violet. You can also see Pokemon Scarlet. Syempre maganda yung display. You can definitely take photos here and do some Instagram postings here. Daanan din natin mabilis, no? Ito yung mga shirts na officially licensed na binibenta ng SM on the side, so you can check them out. Okay din naman yung mga presyo nila, and so far as you can see here in the video, maganda rin naman yung mga designs na pinili nila. I did wish na meron Charizard na black, kasi I like that kind of shirts, pero wala. So anyway, officially licensed merch and plushies are also available on this side of the event space. So I'm gonna show you lang, ang dami na lang mga choices. So may Torchic, may Pikachu, may Charmander, sobrang dami actually. Yung iba nga dito mga hindi ko nakilala, kasi medyo nag-stop din ako from Pokemon for a while. Ngayon lang ako nagbabalik loob. Pero ayun nga, may Mew, may Eevee, ayan, may Torchic nga as I mentioned kanina. So ayan, tapos si Piplup. Usually around 1.4 yung mga products ha. So medyo pricey, pero worth it naman. Maganda naman yung quality ng mga stuffies nila. On the other side of the area, meron din naman Pokemon Store. Parang kay Toy Kingdom yata to, if I'm not mistaken. Dito naman makakabili kayo ng mga Pokemon model kits, yung mga figures, yung mga imported from Japan na Pokemon stuff. Meron din dito, ayan, as you can see here, may Charmander again, may Pikachu, may Mewtwo, may Piplup, may Squirtle. Sobrang and medyo okay din naman yung price. Pero again, these are mga model kits hindi ito yung mga superposable na ayun, meron din ibang mga third party and mga medyo new players sa toy game. Tapos eto, I'm just gonna show you a closer look. Marami silang stores or marami silang stalls dito. You just check it out. Ito yung mga presyo na iba. Post nyo na lang kung gusto nyo makita yung ibang mga prices nito sa video. Yun lang guys. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and I'll see you for more videos.